and thank you for joining me for Ask Gardener Lynn. Gardening can be a bit tricky sometimes, and just a little bit of help can turn a troubled garden around. So let's keep those gardens on track. Our question today comes from Carmie in Zone 5. Her question is, do all tomatoes take 8 weeks from flower to being ripe, regardless of the size? Should I top my cherry tomatoes as early as the large ones? So the answer is yes, pretty much it's true. It takes 8 weeks from blossom to getting a ripe tomato for all tomatoes regardless of their size. The only thing that could speed up the process a little bit is warmer night temperatures. So I top my cherry tomatoes the same time as my large tomatoes. I count back 4 weeks from my first expected frost, then I top the tomato plants. So this sends the energy to ripening the fruit instead of growing more leaves. And I'm willing to cover my plants for about 4 weeks after my expected first frost. So that is why I cut them 4 weeks ahead of my fall frost date. So if you have a garden question you would like answered, please click on the link below this video and submit your question. If you would like to learn more about high-performance gardening and want to see us grow a whole season of vegetables week by week for 33 weeks, then sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. In this show, we follow a high-performance garden from seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. And this is the best insider's look at watching everything that we do with this vegetable garden week after week all season long. We'll even show you a professional trellising system for your garden. So the show, it's free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime. So go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show to sign up or click the link below this video. So I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more high-performance gardening information. Submit your garden questions so you can get the answers that you need. Until next time, may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.